So much to talk about. Let's kick it off with the Middle East conflict. It, of course, has injected fresh volatility into the oil markets. How are traders using Direxion's bull and bear energy ETFs to navigate both upside spikes and downside reversals?
No, this is perfect timing, Stephanie. Those unfamiliar with Direxion, hopefully you will be a little more familiar after this, but a lot of great opportunity in the market. As I say, volatility presents opportunity, and opportunity is everywhere in the market right now. And in particular with the geopolitical backdrop, especially tensions around the Strait of Hormuz, it's been a major driver of that volatility in oil markets. We've seen crude prices whipsaw in that $80 to $112 range. And that kind of movement is exactly what short-term traders look for to capture both the upside spikes and the downside reversals, just like you mentioned, Stephanie. So that's where our leverage ETFs come into play. Traders are using our leverage ETFs to express short-term directional views with precision. And so we'll talk through some of that detail in a little bit. In particular, with energy on the oil and gas producer side, we're seeing products like Gush and Drip, and those are our leverage bull and bear ETFs. They provide 2x bull and bear exposure to the S&P Oil and Gas Exploration and Production Select Industry Index. So not spot oil prices. I want to make that clarification there, but you're getting exposure to oil and gas exploration and production related equities. And what we're seeing within the energy markets, those have a correlation to spot oil prices. Again, not directly spot oil prices, but we're seeing flows in and out of those particular ETFs because the sort of volatility that we're seeing right now within the oil markets. For those traders that want broader energy exposure, you can look at ticker symbols ERX and ERY, and they offer 2x bull and bear access to the overall energy sector, and that exposure is through the Energy Select Sector Index. So that includes names like ExxonMobil, Chevron, and ConocoPhillips. And for those traders that want more targeted positioning or exposure within the energy sector, so giving you exposure to that volatility in the oil markets, you can look at ticker symbol TEXU. So that's our Direxion Daily Energy Top 5 Bull ETF. So that provides 2x exposure to the top 5 energy names within the sector. So whether traders are positioning for a breakout that's higher in crude or reversal lower, they can look at those tools to lean into the volatility tactically.